Welcome to our competency-based questions for class 10th physics designed to enhance your conceptual learning. Question 12. The diagram below shows how Amita connected a circuit to verify Ohm's law. We need to answer the three parts given. So let's take part 1. It says, identify which of the devices in the circuit is an ammeter, and then we need to justify our answer. See, we can see this thing that there are two cells and they are connected to a variable resistor known as rheostat, and the meter 2, it is connected through the variable resistor to the unknown resistor, and then in parallel to the unknown resistor we are having meter 1. So we can say that meter 2 is in series and meter 1 is in parallel to unknown resistor. We know this thing that the meter which is connected in series is always an ammeter, and the meter which is connected in parallel is a voltmeter. So from this connections of the components that are given to us, we can say that meter 2 is ammeter. And why so? Because it is connected in series in the circuit. So this is the answer for part A. Let's take part B. Draw the circuit diagram using appropriate symbols for the circuit shown above. So we need to draw the circuit diagram for the components that are given to us. We are having a 2-cell battery. So this is 2 electric cells that I have drawn. Now in series to it, we are having a variable resistor, that is rheostat. And then we are having an ammeter. So this is my ammeter A. And after that, I am having an unknown resistor. So I'll write it as R. And in parallel to the unknown resistor, we are having a voltmeter. So this is the circuit diagram for the given component connections. We can also replace this variable resistor with one another symbol. So that can be like this. So this is the symbol of variable resistor, then an ammeter, the cell with two cells electric battery, and then we are having a resistor, that is unknown resistor R, and in parallel to it we can connect voltmeter. So both are the correct circuit diagrams for the given components. Let's take part C. Amita forgot to include a switch in the circuit. During the experiment, the wire labeled unknown resistor become hot. The resistivity of the material of the wire increases with temperature. So this is given to us. We need to draw the potential difference versus current graph. And on the same axis, we need to draw the graph for the two cases. First, as expected by Amita. So this is my VI graph. And we know that for an VI graph, for an ideal resistor, it has to be a straight line passing through origin. So it has to be a straight line passing through the origin. But now, when the wire becomes hot, when wire become hot, then the resistivity rho will increase with increase in temperature. And due to this, R will also increase. And the VI relation will not be a straight line. Rather, it will be a line that is having with a slope. So it will be having a slope like this. So this is the correct explanation for this. So this is for part 1. And for part 2, it will be slightly having a slope That is increasing in nature because the resistance is increasing with increasing temperature. So this is the answer for part C. Thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep excelling.